Imagine the hum of a bustling market, the vibrant colors of fresh produce, and the irresistible aroma of street food wafting through the air. Welcome to Vietnam. This Southeast Asian gem with its bustling streets and tranquil countryside is a feast for the senses. And nowhere is this more apparent than in its rich culinary landscape. Food is the lifeblood of Vietnam. It's a common thread that weaves through the fabric of everyday life, uniting people of all walks of life. From the humblest street vendor to the most prestigious restaurant, the commitment to fresh ingredients and bold flavors is unwavering, a testament to the Vietnamese love affair with food. Our journey begins in the vibrant heart of Vietnam's urban centers, where streets come alive with the sights, sounds, and smells of the local food scene. Street vendors, clad in conical hats, fan out their wares, their stalls brimming with fresh herbs, tropical fruits, and exotic spices. The air is thick with the tantalizing aroma of sizzling meats, simmering broths, and fresh-baked baguettes, a testament to the country's unique blend of indigenous and French influences. As we delve deeper into the bustling streets, we begin to understand the pivotal role that food plays in Vietnamese culture. It's not just sustenance, but a form of expression, a way of preserving traditions and a means of bringing people together. Every dish tells a story, every ingredient holds a piece of history, and every bite is a celebration of the country's diverse culinary heritage. So, buckle up, food enthusiasts, as we embark on this flavorful journey through the heart of Vietnam. From the busy streets of Hanoi to the serene rice paddies of the countryside, we'll explore the diverse flavors and traditions that make Vietnamese cuisine truly extraordinary. We'll sample iconic dishes, discover age-old cooking techniques, and meet the people who pour their hearts into every dish they prepare. As we set off on this culinary odyssey, let's raise a toast to the vibrant, flavorful, and utterly captivating world of Vietnamese cuisine. Bon appetit! At the heart of Vietnamese cuisine are the bustling food markets, a symphony of colors, smells, and tastes. This is where the magic begins, as local vendors bring in their fresh produce, aromatic herbs, and exotic spices that form the foundation of every Vietnamese dish. The markets are a sensory overload, with the crisp, bright greens of cilantro and mint, the deep purples of eggplants, and the fiery reds of chilies. Every corner is a new discovery, with piles of fresh ginger, turmeric, and lemongrass, their fragrances mingling in the air. And it's not just about fruits and vegetables. There's the fresh catch from the nearby sea, glistening in the morning sun, and the array of different rice varieties, each with its own unique texture and flavor. Don't forget the rich, earthy sauces that are the secret to the depth of Vietnamese flavors. From the salty, sweet nuoc mam, or fish sauce, to the spicy chili paste, these condiments are a staple in every Vietnamese kitchen. And then there's the spices. Star anise, cinnamon, black cardamom, and white pepper all contribute to the complex and layered flavors that we associate with Vietnamese cuisine. But what really makes these markets special is the people. The vendors, with their wide smiles and welcoming demeanor, are more than happy to share their knowledge about their produce. They can tell you which herbs to pair with your meal, or how to pick the freshest fish. Here in the hustle and bustle of the markets, you can see the passion and dedication that goes into preparing Vietnamese food. It's a labor of love, from the farm to the table, and it's this love that you can taste in every bite. These markets are not just places for trade, but a sensory journey into the soul of Vietnamese food. It's a place where tradition meets innovation, where old recipes are passed down and new ones are created. It's a place where every dish tells a story of Vietnam's rich culinary heritage and the people who keep it alive. From the corners of narrow alleys to the broad sidewalks, Vietnam's street food culture is a testament to its culinary richness. It's a symphony of flavors that plays out on every street, where the clatter of pots and pans harmonizes with the sizzle of grilling meats, creating a melody that calls out to your taste buds. Imagine biting into a banh mi, a quintessential Vietnamese sandwich. The crispness of the freshly baked baguette gives way to an explosion of flavors, from the perfectly balanced fillings, succulent pork, tangy pickled vegetables, and spicy chili, all harmonized by the richness of pâté and mayonnaise. It's a culinary masterpiece wrapped in simplicity. Then there's pho, the soul of Vietnamese cuisine. Picture a steaming bowl of this noodle soup, its aromatic broth simmering for hours with beef bones, star anise, and cinnamon. The tender slices of beef, The silky rice noodles and the fresh herbs create a comforting medley of textures and flavors that soothe your soul. And let's not forget about the small plastic stools and tables that transform sidewalks into dining rooms. There's something incredibly charming about sharing these delicious meals amidst the hustle and bustle of the city. It's not just about the food, it's about the community, the camaraderie, and the shared appreciation for the culinary craft. Vietnam's street food scene is as diverse as its landscapes, with each region offering its unique specialties. From the spicy bun bo hue in the central region to the sweet and savory banzheo pancakes in the south, every dish tells a story of its people, their traditions, and their love for food. Each bite of these street foods is a bite into Vietnam's culinary heritage. It's a gastronomic journey that takes you through the country's history, its culture, and its people's unyielding passion for food. And the vibrant street food scene is a testament to Vietnam's culinary artistry, a canvas where flavors come alive, creating masterpieces that are savored one bite at a time. Beyond the bustling streets, the tranquil Vietnamese countryside offers a different, but equally rich culinary experience. As we step away from the urban hustle and bustle, we find ourselves immersed in a landscape of emerald rice paddies and serene fishing villages. Here, rice, the lifeline of Vietnamese cuisine, grows in abundance. This humble grain, transformed into a multitude of dishes, is a testament to the resourcefulness and creativity of the Vietnamese people. Rice is not just food, it's a way of life, a reflection of the Vietnamese ethos of simplicity and harmony with nature. From the delicate rice paper wrapping the flavorful spring rolls to the comforting bowl of rice porridge called chow, each dish is a tribute to this versatile grain, but the countryside offers more than just rice. It's a showcase of traditional cooking methods that have been passed down through generations. Imagine the sweet aroma of fish grilling over an open flame, the satisfying crunch of a freshly picked vegetable, the delicate balance of flavors in a homemade dipping sauce. These are not just meals, they're a celebration of heritage and community. In the Vietnamese countryside, food is a communal affair. Families gather around the kitchen, each member playing a part in the preparation of the meal. The kitchen is not just a space for cooking, it's a place for sharing stories, for passing down age-old recipes, for keeping traditions alive. And then there's the warmth of rural Vietnamese hospitality. Here, guests are treated like family. Invited into homes, we share meals, exchange stories, and forge connections that transcend language and culture. This is more than just a meal, it's an experience, a memory, a taste of the real Vietnam. In the quiet rhythm of the countryside, we find the soulful side of Vietnamese cuisine, a side that tells a story of tradition, of community, of a love for food that runs deep. And as we savor each bite, we're not just tasting food, we're tasting a piece of Vietnam's heart and soul. In the homes of locals, we get a glimpse of true Vietnamese cooking, where every dish tells a story. It's here, in the heart of these warm, bustling kitchens, that the spirit of Vietnam truly comes alive. You see, Vietnamese cuisine isn't just about the flavors, it's about the hands that craft each dish, the families that gather around the table, and the stories that are told through each bite. Imagine joining a local family as they prepare their evening meal. There's a sense of ritual in the air, a rhythm that's been passed down through generations. The kitchen is alive with the sizzle of garlic hitting hot oil, the fragrant steam of simmering broths, and the soft rustle of rice paper being rolled into perfect spring rolls. The ingredients are simple yet vibrant. Fresh herbs picked from the garden, plump shrimp caught from the nearby river, and rice harvested from the family's own paddy. Each component is treated with reverence, a testament to the respect Vietnamese culture holds for the bounty of the land and sea. As the family cooks, they share their secrets, the perfect balance of 5 spice in the marinade, the art of shaping the perfect dumpling, the patience needed to simmer the broth to its full-bodied glory. It's an education in not just cooking, but in the traditions and values that are the backbone of Vietnamese culture. And then, it's time to eat. The table is a feast for the senses, laden with dishes that reflect the diversity of Vietnamese cuisine. There's the comforting warmth of a chicken pho, the tangy freshness of a green papaya salad, and the smoky richness of grilled pork skewers. Each dish is a testament to the family's culinary heritage, a delicious legacy served up with pride. Through their home cooking, we experience the true spirit of Vietnamese food, a blend of tradition, heritage, and love. This is more than just a meal, it's a journey into the heart of Vietnam, a taste of the soul of a nation. And it's a journey we hope you'll join us on as we continue to explore the culinary wonders of this incredible country. When the sun sets, the night markets come alive, showcasing another vibrant side of Vietnam's food culture. As the day's heat gives way to a balmy evening, the streets transform into a culinary playground, buzzing with energy and filled with tantalizing aromas. Wandering through the labyrinth of stalls, you're greeted by a symphony of sizzling woks, bubbling pots, and the rhythmic chop of cleavers against cutting boards. Each vendor is a maestro, deftly crafting delectable morsels that make your taste buds dance with joy. The night markets are a gastronomic treasure trove, offering a dizzying array of dishes to satisfy even the most adventurous palate. From succulent grilled meats and crispy spring rolls to bowls of comforting noodle soup and sweet, sticky rice desserts, every stall is a new culinary adventure waiting to be discovered. But the night market experience is about more than just the food. It's about the people, the energy, and the atmosphere. It's about the elderly vendor who's been selling her famous dumplings for decades, the young couple sharing a bowl of noodles under the soft glow of lanterns, and the children's laughter echoing through the narrow alleyways. The night markets are a sensory feast, a kaleidoscope of colors, sounds, and flavors that capture the essence of Vietnam's food culture. As you explore these bustling streets, you're not just a spectator, but a participant in a nightly ritual that celebrates the communal joy of food. The variety of foods available is truly staggering. From the freshest seafood, grilled to perfection right in front of you, to the most intricate pastries, painstakingly crafted by skilled hands. There's something for everyone. And let's not forget the drinks. Whether you're sipping on a refreshing iced coffee or toasting the night with a local beer, the night market has got you covered. The night market is a testament to Vietnam's timeless love affair with food. As you wander through these vibrant streets, tasting your way through the country's culinary tapestry, you're not just exploring a market, you're experiencing a slice of Vietnamese life. And that, my friends, is an adventure worth savoring. From north to south, our culinary journey has taken us through the diverse landscapes of Vietnamese cuisine. We've traversed bustling city streets where the air is fragrant with the aroma of simmering broths, grilling meats, and the unique scent of fresh herbs. We've savored iconic street foods, each dish a symphony of flavors that harmonize in a way only Vietnamese cuisine can achieve. We've ventured into the heart of food markets, brimming with a kaleidoscope of fresh produce and exotic spices. These are the building blocks of Vietnamese cuisine, the ingredients that form the backbone of every mouth-watering morsel we've tasted. Our odyssey led us to serene countrysides, where the rhythm of life is dictated by the seasons and the harvest. In these tranquil landscapes, we've discovered traditional cooking techniques handed down through generations. We've seen how every grain of rice is a product of hard work and dedication, and how every seafood dish is a testament to Vietnam's bountiful waters. We've been welcomed into homes where family recipes are guarded treasures, each dish prepared with love and served with pride. We've wrapped delicate spring rolls, grilled succulent seafood, and learned how each dish tells its own tale of heritage and tradition. Our journey didn't end when the sun set. Instead, we found ourselves amidst vibrant night markets, where the culinary scene comes alive in a dazzling spectacle of sights, sounds, and smells. There, we've indulged in tasty treats that celebrate the incredible diversity of Vietnamese cuisine. Each dish, each bite, has been a revelation, a testament to the extraordinary flavors of Vietnam. From the bold and hearty dishes of the north to the delicate and nuanced flavors of the south, we've experienced a culinary adventure like no other. As we conclude this odyssey, we are left with a profound appreciation for Vietnamese cuisine and the rich culture it represents. We hope you've enjoyed this flavorful journey as much as we have, and that it's inspired you to embark on your own culinary adventures. Until next time, happy travels and bon appetit. As our culinary odyssey comes to an end, we raise our glasses to the unforgettable flavors and experiences that Vietnam has bestowed upon us. This vibrant country welcomed us with open arms, and through its cuisine we discovered a rich tapestry of culture, history, and tradition. From bustling street markets to tranquil countryside homes, we savored every bite, every aroma, every moment. The iconic pho and banh mi, the fresh seafood grilled over open flames, the delicate spring rolls made with love. Each dish was a testament to Vietnam's culinary prowess and a celebration of its diverse heritage. We leave with our hearts full and our palates enriched, carrying with us the essence of Vietnam in every lingering taste. Until we meet again, Vietnam, keep delighting palates and warming hearts with your extraordinary cuisine. Farewell and thank you for an unforgettable journey.